This is the Ego string trimmer I would recommend for most people because it's lightweight and durable. Made of aluminum, it's got a 15-inch cut capacity on it, and very easy to load line on it with the Powerload technology. All you got to do is put the line in it, balance the length of it, and press this button, and it'll automatically wind it up. It also has a bump head on it, which makes it very easy to advance the line as you're trimming with this. This has plenty of power, had no issues blasting through weeds around the house, larger overgrown weeds, or also does a great job going around the fence too. If I feel like I'm not getting enough line out of it, all you got to do is just whack the ground with it while you're weed eating, and then it's going to advance the string for you. This one has a couple great features, like it's got the telescoping, so you can change the length of it. It's also got a front handle that you can reposition depending on your height. It's very easy to change back and forth between low and high speeds on it as well with the thumb trigger. And then it's also got this safety mechanism on it, which makes it very easy to either activate it or not to have it activated on accident. If you get this in a kit, it does include the 2.5 amp hour battery and a battery charger, which I found this battery to give me plenty of runtime. I had no issues with going around my whole house and 200 feet of fence with the 2.5 amp hour battery. This one's made of aluminum. It's very lightweight, feels very durable, and like a great weed eater that should last a long time. Overall, I really recommend this for you if you want to get in the Ego ecosystem because it's got the Powerload technology. Very easy to feed line through it. The bump head works great on it as well. There's plenty of power for this to go through any weeds, big or small, or just to edge around your house. Really like the Ego ST1510 string trimmer.